Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you basic offense tutorial. In the beginning, go to Skills Trainer menu and go to Basic Offense. Here you can learn about ball carrier moves, celebration logo, passing mechanics, backed up at goal line, and red zone offense. Let's enter one tutorial for example. And that's basically it. You can learn more mechanics further in the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.